Hi there, welcome to my amazing new method for making faceless YouTube channel videos for free in just 5 minutes. You may be thinking, how can this be possible? Or even, does this method really work? Well, let me tell you, it really does work and it's incredibly easy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create a new YouTube channel and select the faceless option. Step 2. Choose a name for your channel that is catchy and memorable. Make sure to include your brand or personalized touch. Step 3. Go to the screen recorder option on your YouTube channel settings and start recording your video. Step 4. Once you're done recording, go back to your YouTube channel and upload the video. Make sure to add a title, description, and tags that are relevant to your content. Step 5. Now, all you have to do is promote your video on social media platforms, email lists, or even your personal network. The more exposure you get, the more views your video will receive. And that's it. You now have a faceless YouTube channel video that you can use for free in just 5 minutes. This method works for all types of content, from product reviews to tutorial videos to interviews. So, what are you waiting for? Try this method today and see the amazing results for yourself.